Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy, your go-to place to learn web development the right way. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support this growing learning community. You are watching part 16 of our complete HTML Mastery series, Accessibility in HTML. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explain what web accessibility means, explore important HTML elements and attributes to improve accessibility, and share tips to make your websites usable for everyone. This video is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, or anyone passionate about making the web more inclusive through accessible design. So, let us dive into the code and start learning by doing. Practical hands-on experience is the best way to master HTML. Web accessibility means designing websites so that everyone, including people with disabilities, can access and use them effectively. It also enhances usability for all users. The alt attribute in images provides a text description for users who cannot see the image. This is crucial for screen readers and also benefits search engine optimization. ARIA roles add semantic information to HTML elements, helping assistive technologies like screen readers identify and navigate different parts of the page more easily. Many users rely on keyboard navigation. Developers must ensure that all interactive elements can be accessed and controlled via the keyboard using attributes like tab index for proper focus management. To make your site accessible, use semantic elements. Always provide descriptive alt text. Apply ARIA roles where needed. Test keyboard navigation and ensure your colors meet contrast guidelines. In summary, accessibility helps create inclusive websites. Alt text, ARIA roles, and keyboard navigation support are key tools to achieve this. Next, we will start exploring CSS with selectors and properties to style your HTML content beautifully. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy. Click the bell icon to get notified about new tutorials.